Hello everybody, I'm out again. I'm out down at the first graveyard shift, if you want to call it that. You just come through the gate, through the fence. So I'm going to walk over, it's the fence there. So I'm going to walk over to where I'm going to do this. I'm not going to walk over with my camera in my hand because I'm going to turn my phone off. After that, I'd only walk around with a bloody big light in because there's cars still driving in, I know, believe it or not. It is now 9:15. Oh Christ, 9:15 at night. So I'll walk over, it's over there I need to go. So I'll see you when I'm set up. Wish me luck. Right everybody, I've arrived where I'm going to be doing it. Let me just show you a little bit. Here I am. All the graves up there, all the old ones. I'll have a little wander around for you in a bit. This is where I'm going to be doing it. It's right at the back. And you know, there's nowhere else to go here. So I'm going to get myself set up. I need meters and that now. I'll place them around and that. And just see. Right everybody, I'm set up the best I can. I've got a camera running there as well, the GoPro's over there. A few little candles on my light. So first of all, let's find me here. I'll just put the GoPro on. Wait a sec. Got one camera running there. That's on a 25-minute loop or a half an hour loop. It's been running for 5 minutes. Over here's my GoPro, that's running. I don't know how well the GoPro's gonna go, pointing in that direction. Well, we'll have to see. What I'll do is I will put the meters, I can find them. Got one, I'll switch this one now, just see what we get. Let's just see what I get. Let's just walk around and just see. I mean, I need to put my lights on my camera to be honest, but there's a little grave here, I don't want to go, you know. See, on, yes. If there's any spirits here, do you want to make this EMF meter go off? If you can hold it or grab hold of it. If there's anybody here who wants to communicate. There's just no one, there's the old church there. Really lovely. What I'll do then is I will leave it over here and I'll stand it up there. Candle had up there before and I'll see, because from over here I'll see it going off. The light and that. We'll just see what happens. Everything's running. GoPro's running. Oh, spooky stuff. It's very spooky up here. Hey, look, there's actually mist in here. Makes it Alex a bit more, you know. It really is misty. But it's got all misty here. adds to it, doesn't it? There's the little dot. Job machine. Used to be, on my last video. I still haven't put that video together yet. Oh yeah, I've finished the end of it. I've got to turn the colours and the sound up for you, though. Spooky is that? I mean, wow. I'll put my light on the back of my camera. I might say it wobble a little bit. Nuisance it is. Wow, look at that though. Look how smoky it's gone. It's gone all steamy. Wow. That is just something else. What I'll do, I want to see if I can take my settings up on my camera so you a little bit more, get a bit more of a view for you. Because it's showing a little bit dark on the back of the screen. Right, I've had a little look around and I'll go again in a minute. I'm just going to change the settings on the back of this camera because it doesn't look quite right. It's a little bit dark for me, so I think I might change the ISO settings on it. And I'll go again. The GoPro's still running. And I'll get that other meter out as well and I'll put that down so you can try and get any recordings of any voices or anything like that. Right, give me a sec. Right everybody, I've got the other meter. So what I'm going to do is sit over here. Let's just put this back on and put things going off. And I'll aim it that way a bit. That's what I'm... I can't sit there, someone's got to use my food. Switch this on. Good. Is there any spirits here that would like to talk into the recording device? Anyone who wishes to communicate? This is your chance now if you want to speak into this. I'll leave it there by the grave. If you want to speak into it, you can. Or if you want to set off the EMF meter over there, you want to go over and put your hand by that. See, I don't know if I'm going to have to I don't know if I'm going to have to look on that. I mean, this is when I get in. See if I can try and pick something like that and put on the video for you afterwards, if there's anything on it. It is running. It's flashing, see, it's flashing the lights on. I'll look around, I can have a little walk up here. See if it picks anything up as I'm going. I've got my blue filter on my light, so if it looks a little bit blue, everybody, that's what it is. Anybody here like to communicate into this device? Tell us your name. It's all quiet at the minute, but I'll hang on for a bit longer. I'm not, you know, I'm not frightened or nothing like that. I'm alright looking around here. Anything on this? No, that's still at 0. I'll do then. I'll leave that one there. Press record. Try that one there, see what happens. See what happens behind. See a bit better. Nothing. It's got to meter, everybody. It's just I can't focus in too close for you because I've got to focus where I'm walking. Wow. That's just great. Wow. That's not on the meter anyway. Still recording. What's that noise? Incredible, that, isn't it? Right, everybody, that's right. The camera might be a little bit better now. Let's see the GoPro. Get over the ghost. I forgot. Right, everybody, I've managed to fix my camera a little bit, make it a bit brighter for you. What I'm going to do, I've got the devices on me, I want to walk over here, try some air out. Right, and just see the camera there, unfortunately. The light the ghost. So, I'm pulling tangent. That really wasn't. Let's have a little wander. Focus on this here, it would have been dark. So heavy. I don't know if you can see it, but you really can. It really is like a steamy, or like a very light mist. Where should we go? I don't know if too far there, there's a gap. No. What do you reckon? No, yeah, over here. Over here, there's the trees. Yeah, this is over here. That up there, that's what we do. See, where's the old basket? Let's sit off here, right? Let's put the GoPro. Put the GoPro over here. This one with me. That one. Switch it on. Welcome. Right, that's playing. So that's playing. I'll switch this one on now. That's on. Is there anybody that wishes to communicate? You can through these two devices. If you want to leave your name on that one, or if you want to come over and touch this one, or stand by me so this can go off. Come on, come on, come and say hello. I'll tell you what I'll do for you then. I'll put the meter there. I'm out the way of it. There you go, I'll put the meter over there for you. And there's the voice one there, so I'm nowhere near them. If you want to communicate, you can through that device there. Just make it bleep, make it go red. Say something into that. Tell me your name. Show yourself. So quiet. Off the car. I'll make that device go off the EMF device. You just walk over to it. Go speaking to that one. Tell you what I'll do, I'll leave that there over and I'll over it all the time just. And see what happens. Right. What's that noise? Stop that. Oh, look how misty it's gone. Make the meter go off if you can, if anybody's here. Just go close to it. It goes right back down there, everybody. This place. There's a little path there, but there's more at the back on the other side. But it's not surrounded by trees like this one is. Right, let's have a little walk again. That bothers me in a place like this, other people. That's a path. There, right, okay. Back to the back corner, isn't it? It's just a path behind me there now, so I don't really want to be walking around with a big candle in my hand and a light. People walking the dogs or something. Yeah, what's this here? Isn't that the one I done earlier on? I thought there was another one over there. What are they? What are they? Push it in, anybody? This is just cut off my pocket, just here. Let's just see what that... No, what's that? I haven't got anything solid in my pocket. No, not in my pocket. If there's anybody here, do you want to touch that again for me? You just made it go off once, can you do it again? Just make it bleed. I was just here and it went off in my pocket. I was just here and it went off in my pocket. There's nothing here though. Anyway. Do you want me to switch the light off and do it? Switch the light off. Right, I'm just going to switch the light off, everybody. It's going to go pitch black. I'm just going to see if it works with the light off. Get the light over there. Do you want to make the meter go off if you're here again? The meter's in front of the camera, everybody. Come on, you made it go off me pocket. Show everybody that you can do it again. I'll tell you what, I'll put it down for you there. I'll walk over there. Go ahead then, make it go off if you can, if you're here. I'll put the meter back down again, so you can make it go off. If there's anybody here, now's your chance to come and communicate. Come say hello. Just go up and touch it. There's the GoPro there. Go over. Off. So not, hopefully not on flight. Look at that there. A random jog. See what I'll probably happy everybody, I'll probably have to listen to this one here, and hopefully I'll be able to play it for you if there's anything on it. I might be able to play it back in a minute, but it means everybody sitting there and listening to it all night, you know. Look at this going, Holly. Oh, stop it. What's that again? Right. And that's now one on that one. Let's just see. One more down. Does anybody like to speak into this? Now's your opportunity. Tell us your name. Anything you want. Is there anybody here who wants to speak into this? There's 20 minutes on that, so you never know. Right, I'll go over here with the meeting again. It's not really doing much sitting there, is it? Batteries are going on it. Did you see it? I didn't either until I was editing this morning, stupid o'clock in the morning, and I spotted it. Let me explain. Right everybody, what I want to show you is last night I was editing this is the video that you're watching now. Right, let me just show you. That's all the video that you just watched. Right there. At the bottom, see all the blue? And see them three blue ones? That's where you had the cameras in the three different corners earlier on. So, that's the point I've got to now, which is just there, you see that at the bottom. Let me just bring that up for you so you can see. So that's all the start, that's all it's halfway through. And up here, this very last clip at the end, let me show you. Here is the number on it is 4362. Right, so what I do is I go into here, go into my documents. Right, there's all the footage straight off the camera from when I've done this. Right, they haven't been touched. There's not. There's a few photos there, but they're not worth any carrot really. They're a bit thingy. But that's all the footage you're watching there now. And just here, you've got number 4362. That's the last clip, right? That's 4361's the one you have just watched. Right, so I've put a little bit in. That's what you have just watched here now. I'll play it for you. there. That's where it happens, right? Right, now what I can't do is slow-mo or anything like that, because unfortunately my button's not working. I'll prove it to you now, watch. So that bottom clip in that corner there, watch. If I go onto preferences, properties, it won't let me do it. See, it just won't let me do any slow-mos or fast-mos. Even the button up there at the top is just not working. So I thought, well, how am I going to show you this? So what I'm going to do, right, because you can do this on YouTube. I hope you can do it on YouTube when it goes up online, because I don't know myself if you can. But watch this, watch. If I put that at the screen, here it is. Yeah, watch. The only way I can do it, now I done this by accident last night because the editor actually crashed on me on the last clip, and I went, what I've done, to find out where I was last time, I went along like that, very slow, see, you can move it with the arrow thingy there like that, see. I got to this clip, I done that, I fixed my put my camera down, that one, I fixed that one, I come back onto the last clip, which is that one I've just showed you when I got off my camera. Yeah, it gets to there, it comes up, and just there, on the left, see it? That, ladies and gentlemen, is an orb, because it appears in the screen, see there? Unfortunately, see there, it appears in the screen, yeah, and then shoots off, see? Now if that was a fly or a bug, by the way it's moving, you'd see its wings eventually, and its legs or something, the outline of a bug. Well, that materialises there, yeah, and shoots away. Don't forget, the thing that gets me about this is my camera's not moving. I'm hardly moving my camera. There's no lights. I'm under a big tree canopy, so there's no reflection from none. There it is, just there. Yes. Now if I play it, watch how quick it happens. I play that. Oh, watch how quick it happens. See, there it goes. There it goes. See, that's how quick that happens. Right. So what I'm going to do for you is if I go to where it happens, which is right, that's just where it starts to come into view now there, yeah. Ooh, I missed it. So let's go back a bit. There, right, and if I go to that top corner, here, what I can do, file, export frame, yeah, that just takes a photograph of that, and I've done them already there for you. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll put them in, and I'm going to put them in now. So when I came into the video before, that's where I'm going to put the photographs and the clips, which was, this is where I came into it.
Did you see it?
Right, but what I'll do, I will start the video again from there. Yeah, that's where the orb was. I just wanted you to see me do it like this, because I don't do any of the funny business. You say I want definite proof, and like I say, I only spotted it last night by accident myself. So I'm going to carry on making the video for you, because we're not done yet. I'm going to put the last clip of the orb, and then the photographs and the moving bits, moving footage, just there. And there comes the rest of the video. Well, I've just done everybody is up to the recording device over there. You can see it a little bit light. I'll come back to it in a bit. I'll get the EVER.VERY meter. Be a little bit extra careful because just there's a road, and as you charge your van's just gone back really slow with a torch sticking out of there. Out of the window, and I can't find the EMF meter. I'll do that. I might have a look back on the footage and see where it is. Well, that's still recording, I'll switch it off. Yeah, still can't find this meter. I'm standing up on something. What a pillar. Didn't I stand up? What do you want either? Still can't find me meter. I can't remember where I put it. I'll have to look on the footage on the back of the camera. Found the meter, everybody. There's a whale on the bleeding floor. What a pillar. It's gone really cold now. It is now 10:30 at night. I'll put that device back in my bag now. If that goes off, there's nothing in my pocket. You see? No, just a lens cap. There's one on. We'll see if it goes off. I don't know what's on this. I'll have to have a look when I get in. I can put it in the video. If there's nothing in it, not on it. So yeah, there's number one done. There's nothing. Not enough seen, not enough felt. I haven't been touched. Anything like that. And I've had a good walk around. The closest thing I've come to is the security van. Cargo past the top there before the torch. So I won't put this up for you. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment. Please leave a comment, let me know I'm getting on. Hit that like button as well to get me likes up. So the next one I'm going to do, I'm not going to tell you obviously, but I'll go and get that done as soon as. I've got my video for the prep for this to go up as well. You've probably already seen that. I haven't put that together, I haven't finished the end bit of it yet, so I'll go back and do that. And then I'll put this up afterwards. Then I've got the big one then, which is I'm going to do a Halloween night, the one I don't like going down to. So I'll go down and do that on my own, or if Paranormal wants to come with me, if he can make it, that'll be even better. But we'll go down, I'm going to go down and do that back bit on my own, if not. And I'm going to make that one a little bit, you know, like I say, this one was just the one on the bag, just to come up and see what it was like. I'll try and get into these a little bit more as well, try and find out what's what with them. So anyway, I'll put this together for you. Thanks for watching. Stay in, stay safe, take it easy. I will see you again for part 2, the next one, very soon.